All right, so the steps were in the last thing we did. I didn't go through them all because we only did the LCD. So I've got them simplified here. I'm going to click back to the last one just for a second here so we can look at it. Let me scroll up towards the top. So factor everything, find the LCD. We did that. So then I call it stacking the LCD on top of a refraction. This is not how other teachers do it. A lot of times they do all kinds of different goofy things. I think that number 3 is really important to stack it so you can see it. All right. Then reduce each fraction individually. Every denominator should be eliminated if you found your LCD correctly. All right. Every single one should be eliminated. Then you're going to solve it. You're going to have distributions and stuff. You're going to have to do a lot of times. You're going to end up distributing things and then getting it equal to 0 and then factoring it. And there's no way around that. I mean, there's other things that could happen. There's all sorts of stuff. Anything that we've done in solving quadratic formula, that could all happen again. And then the last thing is you have to check your solutions at the end in the denominators. If any of the solutions make a denominator 0, that means that that solution is not actually possible and you get rid of it. It's called an extraneous solution. All right. So these are the short things, short version of it right here. Factor, find the LCD, stack it and reduce the fractions, solve the equation, check for extraneous solutions. This is a process. All right. For a lot of you, if it's a more complicated one, this could potentially take you 5 to 10 minutes to go through one of these carefully so you don't make mistakes, because any little trip up along the way is going to make a huge difference in your answers, might make it so you can't actually solve it. But if you're careful, this is just taking 3 things that we've already done and combining it together. So like I've said throughout this unit, practice extra. Once you think you've got it, practice 3 more problems so that you're sure you can do it, because no matter what you do, the problems always look different. But it's the same process, and that's what we want to make sure that we're looking at when we do these.